Okay, hello everybody, welcome to INKTUTORS. If you've not hit the subscribe button, please do so that you can get update from us. Now, this is a continuation of you can see the link for the previous questions down the comment section. Now, this question says in the diagram, POS and ROT are straight lines. OPQR is a parallelogram. Line OS is equal to line OT and angle OST is 50 degrees. Calculate the value of angle OPQ. Now, you need to understand rules in solving this type of questions. First of all, if you watch, angle OST has two lines, which shows that these two lines are equal. That means the two sides of this triangle are equal. Now, what does that tell you? That tells you that this is what? An isosceles triangle where the two sides are equal. And the rule is an isosceles triangle has the two bases equal. Isosceles triangle has the two base angle equal. Angles are equal. So that means here, this place is going to be 50 degrees. Now remember, some angle in a triangle, so we can get this place. Some angle in a triangle is what? 180 degrees. So that means 50 plus 50 plus angle SOT is going to give us 180. Therefore, angle SOT will be 180 minus 50 plus 50. That's 180 minus 100, and that will give us 80 degrees. So angle SOT here is 80 degrees. Now, remember, when you have angles like this, these are opposite angles. Angles ROP is equal to angle SOT. Reason, opposite angles. They are opposite angles, so they are equal in magnitude. So that means angle ROP, it's now 80 degrees. Now, if you look, there's another opposite angle again. Angle RQP is equal to angle ROP. The reason too, it's because they are opposite angles. So opposite angles. Now that means our angle here is going to be what? 80 degrees. And that means here is going to be 80 degrees. These are also opposite angles. Okay, so or you can say RQP is also corresponding to SOT. Whichever way you see it, they are opposite angles or they are corresponding angles. Now, that means this is a RQOP is a quadrilateral. So all we do is we sum up the sides of the quadrilateral. Now that means angle QRP will be equal to QPO. Reason, opposite angles. So that means now we're going to sum up all the internal angles, and you know that the sum angles of a quadrilateral is going to give us the sum angles of a quadrilateral is going to give us 360 degrees. So we're looking for angle OPQ. So angle OPQ, it's this angle. So let's call it X. And because this angle here is equal to this angle here, so both of them can be called X. So you can now say it's 80 plus 80 plus X is going to give us 360 degrees. That means 160 plus 2X is equal to 360 degrees. Therefore, 2X is going to give us 360 minus 160, which is equal to that's 200. Therefore, X will be 100 divided by 200 divided by 2, which will give us what? 100 degrees. So our final answer in this question is D. So all you just need to do understand this way to get the angle rule so that you can balance it. Okay, so the next question says factorize this. Now all you just do, since you're asked to factorize, just expand it first. So this is 2x times x is going to give us 2x squared plus 2x times minus y, it's going to give us minus 2xy plus 2y times x is going to give us 2xy. Okay, then 2y times minus y is going to give us minus 2y squared plus 2x times x again is going to give us 2x squared. 2x times y, 2x times y is going to give us plus 2xy minus 2y times x is going to give us minus 2xy. Then minus 2y times y is going to give us minus 2y squared. Okay, so from here we have 2x squared. We have 2x squared here and we have 2x squared here. So that's going to give us, collecting like terms, 4x squared. So we have minus 2xy plus 2xy. So this is going to cancel out because it's 0. So we have minus 2y squared minus 2y squared, and that's going to give us minus 4y squared. We have 2xy minus 2xy, so that is going to cancel out because it will give us 0. So now we cannot say 4 is into x squared minus y squared. Now, is that our final answer? No. Because you understand that this is difference of two squares. If you don't understand difference of two squares, watch my previous video on difference of two squares. So, difference of two squares, when you have a square minus b square, it's going to give you a plus b into what? A minus b. So this means this is equal to 4 into x plus y bracket x minus y. So from here we can now see our option, which is option D. So that's the final answer. So question 33. Okay, says the interior angles of a polygon are 3x degree, 2x degree, 4x degree, and 3x degree, and 6x degree. Find the size of the smallest angle of the polygon. The smallest angle is 2x degree. So all we need to do is find our x. Now, for the interior angles of a polygon, it's n minus 2 bracket 180, where n is the number of sides. That will give us the sum of the interior angle, which is equal to sum of interior angles. Okay, so we have how many sides? 3x, 2x, 4x, 3x, and 6x. So there are 5 sides. So this is 5 minus 2, all multiplied by 180. That will give us 3 times 180. And 3 times 18 is 54. So that is 540. So to get our x, we are going to sum up the whole angles. So this is 3x plus 2x plus 4x plus 3x plus 6x is equal to 540. Summing it up, 3 plus 2 is 5, 5 plus 4 is 9, 9 plus 3 is 12, 12 plus 6 is 18. So this is 18x is equal to 540. Therefore, x will be 540 divided by 18. So, what can divide here? Looking at this, I think if you divide through, yes, 18 times 1 is 18, 18 times 2 is 36, 18 times 3 is going to give us 54. So that means our x is actually equal to 30. So now to get the smallest angle will now be 2x, which is 2 times 30, which is what? 60 degrees. So our final answer is our final answer is going to be 60 degrees. So you have to be careful because you weren't asked to look for x. So question 34. Now it says a box contains 2 white balls and 3 blue identical balls. If 2 balls are picked at random from the ball, one after the other, with replacement, what is the probability that they are of different colors? Now, you need to note that here, they were picked with replacement, unlike when you pick and you don't return. So now, the probability of having a white ball will be 2 over 5, and the probability of having a blue ball will be 3 over 5. Now, notice, to solve this, we are supposed to pick. If 2 balls are picked at random, what is the probability they have different colors? Now, the probability of picking different colors is going to be, now it's either we pick a white ball first, and we then pick a blue second, or we pick a blue ball first, then we pick a white ball second. So whichever one, you're going to pick either white first or blue second, or you pick blue first and white second. Now, what this means is, we will now solve this. That means this is probability of white is now going to be, to solve this, when you have intersection, you multiply. And when you have your OR, you add up. So this is going to be 2 over 5 times 3 over 5 plus, this will now be, for the blue, we will have 3 over 5 times 2 over 5. While our denominator is not reducing, is because the question told us that they are replacing the both. So this is going to give us 6 over 25 plus 6 over 25. So this is going to give us 12 over 25. Now, reducing 12 over 25, can it be reduced? What can divide through? So nothing can divide through. So that means our final answer is A. It says nothing can divide. Now the next question says, find the equation of a straight line passing through a point 1, minus 5 and having a gradient of 3 over 4. Now, in solving this type of question, you need to understand that this one is going to be your x1 and this is going to be your y1. Now, you need to understand that the equation of a gradient is y minus y1 over x minus x1 is equal to m. Now, y minus our y1 is minus 5 and our x minus our x1 is 1 is equal to m, which is what, 3 over 4. So this means y plus 5 over x minus 1 is equal to 3 over 4. What we do here is we cross multiply. This is going to give us 4 into y plus 5 is equal to 3 into x minus 1. So expanding the bracket, so when you expand the bracket, you're going to get 4 times y, that's going to give you 4y plus 20, which is equal to 3x minus 3. Collect your like terms, bringing everything all to one side so we can get the equation. So this is going to be 0 is equal to 3x. Bring 4y over, it's going to be minus 4y. Bring plus 20 over, is going to be minus 20 minus 3. So this is going to be 0 is equal to 3x minus 4y minus 23. So this is our final answer. That means 3x minus 4y minus 23 is our final answer. So A is the correct option. So the next question, 36, it says if tan x is equal to 3 over 4, which is where 0 is less than x is less than 90, evaluate cos x over 2 sin x. So you need to understand that this is your SOHCAHTOA. So you need to remember your SOHCAHTOA very well. SOHCAHTOA. So you draw your 90 degree and it says tan x, let here be x, tan x is opposite, this is opposite over adjacent 4. So to get your hypotenuse, which is, let's call this h, so that means h square is equal to 3 square plus 4 square. H square will be 9 plus 16, therefore h will be 9 plus 16 is 25, that's square root of 25, which will give us 5. So our hypotenuse is going to be 5. Now, to evaluate our cosine, our cos x is going to be, cos is adjacent over hypotenuse. So our adjacent is 4 and our hypotenuse, which is, our hypotenuse is 5. Then sine x is going to be opposite over hypotenuse, which is what, 3 over 5. So to evaluate this equation, we're going to do cos x divided by 2 sine x. Now this is going to be 4 over 5 divided by 2 times 3 over 5. Now this is going to be 4 over 5 divided by 2 times 3 is going to be 6 over 5. Now you can now invert your equation because of the divide. 4 over 5 times 5 over 6. Your 5 will cancel out. Then you have 4, 2 here is 2. 2 into 6, we have 3. So our final answer is 2 over 3. So that is for that question. Okay, so our option here is going to be A. A is the correct answer.